Now then, Battle chairman of the Taraba State Football Association, Timothy Herman, has appealed against his removal by the Federal High Court, Jalingo. He now seeks for an interlocutory injunction from the court of appeal, Yola, after a judge ruled that he is not the valid chairman of the association in Taraba. Viewer Television's Linda Guana reports.
Herman, in a suit court, prayed the court to restrain his opponent, Mahmoud Sanusi, from executing the Federal High Court judge's order pending the determination of his suit. Meanwhile, the Federal High Court sitting in Jalingo, Taraba State, last week ruled that the NFF should recognize Mahmoud as the Taraba FA chairman and not Herman. Fielding questions from newsmen at the premise of Federal High Court Jalingo, counsel to Herman, Barrister Bueno Dauda, said, "Learned trial judge erred in law and occasioned a miscarriage of justice when he assumed jurisdiction to entertain and determine the suit between the parties. The respondents, according to Dauda, lacked the local standing to sue the appellants before the trial, having not aspired for or contested the election that was challenged in the suit."
We want to call on our teaming supporters of our clients that they should just patient. This thing, we have seen it and we have painstakingly go through it. We are doing our best. We don't advocate for anybody to go and cause a breach of peace anywhere. We are calling on them. Everybody should maintain status quo. Everybody should be calm. We will do our best to get to the root of the matter.
The counsel, who argued that the learned trial judge was therefore in error to have assumed jurisdiction to entertain and determine the suit, said such action necessitated his client's demands for a stay of execution. In a swift reaction, the counsel to Muhammad, Barrister Issa Buba, said the appellant has the right to appeal. He added that Mahmoud Sanusi Mohammed remained the authentic chairman of the association and NFA will accord him the right based on court pronouncement.
Federal High Court has declared that he should be recognized, and this is a declaratory judgment, and whether or not they have appealed against the judgment cannot in any way stay these proceedings. Their application for state of execution or otherwise can only affect the non-declaratory orders made by the court. So we are not going to be affected.
Meanwhile, Timothy Herman has called on his supporters to remain calm. He said that he remains the authentic state chairman of Taraba Football Association pending when the appeal court rules otherwise.
Counsel advised me at the point of law very clearly, and thank God they have filed the notice of appeal and also the state of execution. So by this notice and state of execution, I still maintain my office as a chairman. The status quo remains the same, and I will continue to operate as a chairman of FA Taraba, and I will participate in all activities of the NFF.
Linda Guana, UR TV News, Jalingo.